Hey everyone. So in this video I'm just gonna demo a project I've been working on recently, which is inspired by the Assyrian stairwell. So you're in a futuristic hotel, space hotel, and there seems to be nowhere to go out, but you can go out this one door and it seems to just go up to another room, which is very similar. And then if you turn around and go back through that door to go back to the original room, because there seems to be nowhere else to go, then suddenly you're going up again. So it's sort of like this infinite loop where you're stuck in this environment and you can only go up to get out. What I find interesting is that not many games or 3D programs take advantage of our ability to program whatever we want to be the reality. So I think that 3D environments have the ability to play with people's sense of space, but most of the time they're sort of focused on creating what we know, trying to be as real as possible, and what we're comfortable with. Some notable games that do challenge this idea of reality would be Antichamber or the Stanley Parable, for example. While this is very much proof of concept, it could definitely be further extended to something that changes people's perspectives of space. So this project was done in Unity and modelled in Maya, so the rest of the video is just going to be a time-lapse of how I built it. The project recording time was around 14 hours, and that's been condensed into 8.5 minutes at 100 times speed. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video.